I got this pre-treatment liquid free from Epson when I bought it. I believe it's about, I think it's 2.5 liters. Don't quote me on that. I'm not too sure. I can't remember how much. I just know it's a lot. Well, anyways, I got it for free, so I've been using it, and you know, trying to get rid of it already, because there's no point of me buying one if this one's working good. So once this is gone, I'm gonna start buying a different, obviously. Well, that's not the point. The point is, there's a lot of people arguing about if you should pre-treat white shirts or not to pre-treat them. Today we're gonna find out what the difference in the prints is between pre-treating and not pre-treating white. And I'm gonna use this bad boy right here. I was told it was good for white and dark t-shirts, so we're gonna put that to the test today. Today we're using Next Level, only because it's the only one I have white t-shirt at the moment. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use this. First, we're gonna pre-treat it, of course. I'm going to just pre-treat one side, and the back side I'm gonna go ahead and leave it unpre-treated. That way we could tell the difference on them. What everybody's talking about is that if you do two color passes on a white shirt without it being pre-treated, it's the same thing as if you pre-treat it and do a one pass. So we're gonna see how it looks like, what the image looks like with one pass pre-treated, two passes pre-treated, and then we're gonna flip the t-shirt. We're gonna see what the image looks like one pass and then two passes, both non-pre-treated. So let's go ahead, and this is the pre-treated side. So when I print my image, I'm gonna go ahead and do a not white base, because I mean obviously it's a white shirt, so it doesn't need a white base. But I'm not sure why, but some people actually put a white base underneath. I mean, that's just wasting white ink for no reason. So I'm still using Garment Creator because I still haven't received the Katari Rip program. So this is gonna be based off the Garment Creator. So I'm using a level 4 quality. Default settings on everything, the print quality, I just upped it up to level 4. So let's see what this looks like. So first impressions on the pre-treated white is looking really nice. Nice crisp lines, super black. The colors, they really pop. So now we're gonna go ahead and do a double strike on the double strike color. A close-up comparison, but I'm really seeing a big difference even on the pre-treated side. Now we're gonna try to do the non-pre-treated. So the double pass with no treatment and the one pass with no treatment just went through the dryer. So we're gonna compare the differences in a little bit. All right, so here we have the results. Let me know if you could tell which one's pre-treated and which one's not. So here's result number 1. Number 2. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but I'm still go ahead and show them all out for you guys. Result number 3. And this is number 4. So, can you guys tell the difference or not? Which one do you think? Is this pre-treated or is this pre-treated? They're both double pass. And the winner is this one. This is the pre-treated one, the one on the right. Let me see, put them side by side. Honestly, looking at it side by side, the one on the left, not pre-treated, that one seems to be like better colors, like darker. The pre-treated one seems to be like light colors. The only thing is that right here on the pre-treated, I mean on the non-pre-treated, the colors kind of bled in right there in the tight spots, and on the pre-treated one they didn't. They look nice. But then again, I'm not sure if maybe I should have heat pressed the shirt before putting it on there so it could lay the fibers down. Or maybe it's just because it didn't have pre-treat. Honestly, I'm not sure. And here's the second ones. Do you know which one's pre-treated and which one's not? This is the pre-treated one. Wait. Oh, you see? Nah, this is the pre-treated one. The one on the left. Look. And honestly, if you do a one pass on pre-treatment, it doesn't look that good. For some reason, I'm not sure. But then when you do one pass on the non-pre-treated, it looks good. Obviously, it's better if you do the two pass. I mean, but for something quick, this looks good. Let's say you're in a on a tight schedule and you need to turn it in quick, then it still looks good. Obviously, this looks way better, but then pre-treated looks super better. It depends, because the pre-treated one looks a little bit lighter, and then the non-pre-treated looks darker. Maybe I just need to heat press it, and then so the fibers can go down and the colors don't blend in with each other. I don't know, what do you guys think? Which one do you like? I definitely do not like the one pass white. That thing looks nasty. Like with pre-treated one pass, it just looks like it's too light. Like the colors are losing their colors, and I would much rather do a double pass on either one. It looks way better. Honestly, they look the same. I think the only thing was that I should have preheated. I should have pressed down the fibers first, and then so it can when it prints it doesn't get the fibers, and it doesn't do that. And then, so as you can see, so it doesn't do that. Double strike than to pre-treat it, because it looks way better. The colors look darker and everything compared to the pre-treated. Plus, it saves you time and money. Because imagine double pass. This was like 69 cents, and that's without no pre-treatment. And then you're still putting pre-treatment. How much more is it if you start using pre-treatment on white shirts? And then how much time would you save if you just do a double strike on the t-shirt? Everything's gonna be way faster. You're gonna get shirts rolling in and out way faster. So yeah, but I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Do some tests and let me know. Would you rather pre-treat or not pre-treat white shirts? Everybody for watching my videos. Pretty sure I should be receiving the Qatari rip tomorrow. So hopefully by tomorrow I'll have the video uploaded, and then we're gonna see if that program's even worth it. All right.